To enhance the security of your Telegram account on PC, setting up a passcode lock is essential. Follow these steps to enable the passcode lock feature. Begin by opening the Telegram application on your PC. Locate the three dots or menu icon within the app interface and click on it to access the settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. Within the Privacy and Security section, look for the option labeled Passcode Lock and tap on it. Enable the passcode feature and input your desired passcode. After entering your passcode, click on Continue. You will be prompted to re-enter your passcode for verification. Once done, click Continue to confirm. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully activate a passcode lock for your Telegram account on PC. This added layer of security will help safeguard your conversations and data. Thank you for watching our guide on how to turn on passcode lock for Telegram on PC.